everybody, welcome to On the Frets. We are going to talk about Locrian off of the 5th string today. And so, again, like the other ones, you already know the scale, but this time what I want you to do is, if you're feeling a little bit ambitious, whenever you're playing this, when you come back up the scale to the 6th string, to figure out the other 3 notes that you can play with this, see what mode you are in. See if you can determine which one that we are playing out of. So with that, let's zoom in here and let's take a look at this. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our index finger and we're going to put it on the 5th string of the 14th fret, and we're going to go 14, 15, 17, and then 14, 15, 17 again, and now 14, 16, 17. And then on the B string we're going to go 15, 17, 18, and then 15, 17, 19 on the high E. Alright, so now we're going to do this backwards, and we're going to go 19, 17, 15. And then 18, 17, 15. 17, 16, 14. 17, 15, 14. And 17, 15, 14 again. Alright, so let's play this together with our metronome set at 60 beats a minute, and we're going to count it in with 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's see if we can do that one more time. So we're going to give it a 4 count coming in. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you've made it to this video, then you now know 14 scales, and I would like to say congratulations to that, because that is the kind of dedication that it takes to be a really good guitarist or just a musician, period. Alright, so what we would like to know though is, what is your favorite out of all those? My favorite is Phrygian. I just really love that scale. I don't know why, but I always tend to gravitate towards that. But other than that, just find like a really good tempo on your metronome, so that way you can play these really clean, because that is the whole idea behind all this. But the main thing is to have fun, because that's what this is all about. Music is supposed to be fun, and that's what we want you to have, is fun doing this. But start your metronome at around 60 beats a minute and see if that's too fast. It might be too slow, and then just go from there. And then play till your fingers bleed. That is the one thing I want you to do. Just practice, practice, practice. Play till those fingers bleed or till they fall off. Okay? So with that, keep watching, keep practicing, and you will keep getting better. Thanks, everybody.